All right, so this one's gonna be the prototype. I was gonna gift this to someone, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. This one is gonna have the eyes and the head, and the eyes are gonna be proportionate with the head. This is where I build it. And then this is where I tell the printer what to do. And that's pretty much it. Some improvements on this is we have sort of like a base stand for it to be on now right here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This one's gonna be better. This should be done by midnight, I think. And then back to square one, painting it to look just like this. And then we'll be good. Let's do it. Okay, we have our settings done right here. What I want the printer to do and how to do it. And how thick I want it to be. By thick, I mean like how dense. So I want this to be, what is it? 10% density. We're gonna do a smaller layer height. It should make it more detailed because when you have a thicker layer height, it lays on each layer thick, which is how you can see those lines. But if we do the thinner ones, it should be a little bit more detailed and a little better. It's gonna cost a little bit more time, 8 hours and 19 minutes. That's excluding warming up and everything. It's gonna be 8.5 hours for this finishes, but worth it. I think it's gonna come out pretty cool though, especially since these eyes. I can't do anything with this without the eyes. It's just trash. It's just gonna sit right here next to the Armored Titan. Yep, to the junkyard you go. All right, so to prepare, getting this ready, this plate has to be level. So when this goes back and forth across it, it's laying it evenly. So this is a fancy printer and it automatically levels. So we'll do prepare, leveling, auto leveling, and then done. So what it'll do now is it has 12 points all along this, and the needle will drop down. And when the sensor hits contact with this, it'll light up, and it's pretty much just gonna sensor. It's gonna calibrate the sensor so it prints everything. Can't talk. I'm sick. I can't talk. Can't do it. Can't do it. All right, so now we're gonna save this to disk. Save. Turns it into G code, and the G code tells the printer what to do. So this is our most recent file. We're gonna put it in our USB drive. And done. So now we take this little guy, we put it into the printer, and then we start the print. And now we wait. All right, y'all, 14 hours, 10 minutes. I don't like how the hole is kind of oval shaped, but whatever, it'll hold pens. See what I mean? Yeah, I know, buddy. I know. You just throw a little pen in there and nice. All right, we got all the supports off of it. We got to sand these edges down a little bit, but other than that, she's ready to paint. All right, we got some sandpaper and sanded down the rough edges. It's looking way better now, way smoother. So we're gonna go ahead and put our primer on, and then we're gonna go inside and paint it. All right, so we got our primer on. Now she's ready for paint. I gotta get something better to paint on. All right, we have it all painted. We're gonna do clear coat on it, and then we're gonna paint the eyes black and get the eyes put in there. And we should be done. All All right, well, the eyes aren't perfect, but I think that's good enough, I guess. You get the gist. It's Baby Yoda. What the freak, dude? I'm telling you, these eyes are hard to nail. Because when you change the shape of the head, the eyes don't stay the same shape. But I think if I paint all that green and then just glue the eyes in, I think we'll be all right. So that's what we're going to do. But I mean, yeah, looks like Baby Yoda from afar.